Hey guys, since it's almost the dead of winter, I'm coming at you, well, not in the Virgin Islands, but in other places. I'm coming at you with this winter makeup tutorial that I filmed a year ago. Yes, I know. I understand that I'm really falling behind on my editing. I'm doing better now though, guys. I mean, you can tell by the blonde hair how long ago this was. Oh my god. Well, nonetheless, if you want to know how to achieve this look, please stay tuned. First, I'm jumping into this color from the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just blending that throughout my crease with a crappy blending brush. No, don't use a crappy blending brush, that's just what I was using. Using some white to help the blending, because it just wasn't working. Then I'm using this color from the palette, and I'm taking that in a smaller radius. That's what we're going to be doing with all the shadows to come. Taking a smaller radius, blending, blah 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 blah. Then this color from the palette, and even smaller radius. I don't know why I got that on my lid, I shouldn't have. I also want to take that to the outer corner a bit more than the other shades, just to make it all go together well with the cat eye. Next, I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot to create a cut crease. I just let this naturally glide into my crease, but if you want to be more particular with it, then you do you. Then I'm using NYX Prismatic Shadow in Mermaid, and I'm packing that all over my lid. Then I'm doing a little cat eye with MAC Fluid Line Liner in Black Track. I don't use this anymore because mine dried out and I decided I wasn't going to spend the money. I would suggest using one from e.l.f., which is literally just as good. Like, you don't need to spend the money on MAC to get a good gel liner. I'm keeping that really small on my lid. Then I'm putting the Milk Jumbo pencil in my waterline, and I'm using this shade from the Morphe 35C palette to smoke out the lower lash line. Then I'm using NYX Prismatic Shadow in Frostbite as my inner corner highlight. Putting mascara on with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Then I'm popping on some lashes. These are Iconic by House of Lashes. It'll create that beautiful cat eye. Then I'm using my favorite contour shade, still using it a year later, NYX Taupe Blush. It's not really a blush, it's more of a contour shade. It's perfect cool tone for pale skin. Then I'm using the Jeffree Star highlighter in Mint Condition to highlight. I'm not using a blush because I want to keep this look very cool toned. Lastly, I'm using Cement Velvetine from Lime Crime on my lips. Of course, I'm not in the frame, but you know, you guys know how to put on a liquid lipstick. You wouldn't be finding my tutorials on my tiny channel if you didn't know how to put on a liquid lipstick yet. I'm really emphasizing that Cupid's bow because I like my Cupid's bow, and I think it needs to be very emphasized. So I hope you guys like this short and sweet tutorial. Please come back next time. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff. Everything I use will be in the description box down below, and so is my other social media. Go follow my Instagram page and go like my Facebook page. You could also email me for business inquiries. Have a nice day. Bye!